How to crop a video in Inshot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'll show you how to crop a video easily in the Inshot app. So let's get started. Open up your Inshot app first, then tap on the video and select the clip that you want to edit, and then just tap on the video in the timeline, and then you will see the canvas option. Just tap on it, and then there you can choose a crop ratio. So 1:1 is a square ratio for Instagram, 4:5 is for Instagram as well. Then 9:16 is for TikTok and Reels, and 16:9 is for YouTube. So you can just change the video according to your wish. So Inshot will automatically crop it out for you. Now, if you want to manually zoom it, crop it, then just go to the various icons, swipe to the left, and you can see the crop option. Just tap on it and then just drag the corners or the edges of the frame and select the exact area that you want to keep. This is great for removing background distractions or focusing on one part of the video. So you can use two fingers to move, scale or recenter the video inside the frame, and then just tap on the tick option to apply the crop. And that's it. That's how you crop a video in Inshot. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.